Okay, so let's go ahead and put our special product rules to work. So the first thing we're going to work is 7y plus 2 squared. Okay, this will represent the square of a sum. Okay, we have an a value of 7y and a b value of 2. So what we want to do here is we want to look at how can we use this particular formula. Pretty easy. We have a, which is 7y, so we will take 7y. We're going to square 7y, and we're going to add, it says add, then we're going to multiply 2, that's just the standard formula, and we're going to multiply a times b. So that'll be 2 times 7y, which is multiplied times 2. Okay, that's our AB, plus our 2 squared. Okay, let's put it to work. 7 times 7 will give us 49. Y times y is y to the second power. Then you have 7 times 2, which is 14, times 2, which is plus 28. Y, there's nothing to multiply to the y, plus 2 times 2, which is 4. Okay, so now let's take a look at squaring of a difference, and we have 9x minus 1 squared. So again, same concept, we just go to work with 9x, and that's going to be squared. Okay, and minus, it says, so now we take 2 and multiply 2 times 9, which is our a value, and b, so that'll be 2 times 9x and times 1, and then we take plus, because that's the plus in the formula, and we take 1 squared. Okay, 9 times 9 is 81 x squared. So that shouldn't be anything that we're afraid of, as long as we pretty much understand our timetables and where they're taking us to. And then we have 9 times 1 here is 18, times 1 is 9, I'm sorry, times 2 will be 18. Speaking before I get the answer, seems to be a problem for me here lately. So again, 9 times 1 is 9, times 2 is 18x. Now I just used the minus sign because it's in the formula, plus it's there, and squaring 1 will give us 1. Okay, now if you have any problem with these, you can go back, and again, you don't have to use these. These are just a special rule that will help you when you go through these. So let's look at now, looking at the square of actually the difference of 2 squares. So we have 1 positive and 1 negative. So again, we're going to have substitute 8x for a, and b we're going to substitute for 2. This is really simple here, because the only thing you're looking at a squared. It says to square 8, so you're squaring 8 times 8, so actually you're doing 8 times 8 and times x, and then you're coming over here and you're squaring 2 times 2. That's really all you're doing. So we know to work this formula, 8 times 8 is 64x squared, and it says put a minus sign. Let's just do it. And 2 times 2 is 4. So again, this is how we improvise this special product rule. All 3 of them, they should be fun once you get the hang of it, guys. Work, practice, and you should be just fine. Okay, so we will see you next time with maybe factoring. See you then.